Hello and welcome to this non-verbal reasoning question. In this particular question we have a series of 5 shapes or patterns, and the patterns, the options on the right, A, B, C, D or E, we have to find out which one of these closely resembles this lot over here on the left, which one is most similar to the ones on the left because it contains the same pattern. So in order to do that, first of all we need to look very closely at all of these shapes and find what they have in common. And I can see that you've got a straight line, you've got a line pointing in one direction and one pointing in the opposite direction. So you've got a straight line, it doesn't matter really whereabouts on this line it is, but you've got one pointing in one direction, one pointing in the opposite direction. Here you've got a line, one pointing in one direction and the opposite direction, and you've got the same here as well, one direction, opposite direction. So that seems like a pattern. Let's compare it with these answers, possible answers. You've got a straight line, but you've got both of these smaller lines pointing in the same direction, which is not what's going on here. They're pointing in the opposite direction. Here you've got it pointing in the same direction, so the answer is not A. B, you've got 3 lines. You haven't got 2. We're looking for two lines coming in, coming out of those lines. Here you've got 3, so the answer is not 3. In fact, the answer is not D either, because I can see that you've got 3 there, and it's not E because you've got 1 line pointing out where you should have 2. The only one it could be is C, because you have 1 straight line and you've got 1 smaller line pointing in one direction and the smaller one pointing in the opposite direction. So the answer is clearly C. I hope you understood it. Now move on to the next question. Thank you. Bye bye.